So welcome guys to the episode 5 of the Hollow News. This is the part 2 of the video. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will provide the link in the description and the card suggestion on the top. You may check it out and watch the part 2. And also if you want, you can watch the part 2 first and then the part 1. In part 1 we saw case A, B and C cars of the 2021 main line, and now we are going to see the remaining cars which are revealed by Mattel for the 2021 main line. So let's start with the video. So then I want to thank Get Me Collectibles, Smith Toys, Disney Docket, Cars Diecast Reviewer, TH16 Cars, Trunk Fresh Green 34, Interstate 290, Astro Smoky, and Carburetor County Productions for the help they did. Thank you so much, guys. They only provided some images that I couldn't find myself, so I seeked help from them. So thanks to them, all of them. Thank you, guys. So I want to thank you all for 300 subscribers. Our channel hit just hit 300 subscribers. I am saying our channel because this is not possible without you guys. Anything is possible without you guys. Thank you for the love and support you are showing for me and our channel actually, because without you guys my content and me are nothing. Thank you for love and support you are showing, and hope you will continue to keep supporting me. I am so grateful to you all. Thank you so much. Let's start the video. So let's see the single packs first. So first we will see Hot Rod Lewis Nash. So all the legends with the Hot Rod paint job are released. Hot Rod Junior Moon and Hot Rod Smokey were released last year and were reissued this year in the case A and case B. And Hot Rod Reverse card was released this year as a new 2020 card in case C. And now Lewis Nash is being revealed. So the credit for the image goes to Disney Docket, and I don't have the in-package image, the stock image. I just have the image which Disney Docket used in this video, so thanks to him. When Lewis Nash is released, we will be done with all the Hot Rod versions except that Hot Rod Steve Herschel. I don't think he will be released, but if he is released, I will be happy. So I'm neutral on him. I will be happy if he gets released or not gets released, because he didn't appear in the movie. Like, he appeared in the movie with a normal paint job, that is, he appeared in the Florida Finder scene, but he didn't appear with the flame job. So okay, that's it. So then we are getting Saludos Amigos Ramon. Oh, great. Earlier this year we got Mini Racer in a 3-pack. Now we are getting a single, 155 single. Then so we are also getting some golden cars for the cars 15th anniversary of Pixar cars. So I'm happy that we are 15 years ahead. We are it's been 15 years after the movie, the franchise was started, so the franchise is still living for 15 years. I'm happy for that, and for celebrating that they are releasing the golden cars, and so yeah, I'm happy that, and they are releasing golden Lightning McQueen, golden Rusty's Lightning McQueen, and golden Jackson Storm. That's nice. Hope they will release some Cars 1 characters also, like Doc Hudson, Sally, Sheriff, like that. Those would be cool. And they may also make costly characters like the World Grand Prix races in gold, and then they have many like stuffs to make gold, so that would be cool. Yeah, those we hope we will get more golden cars, because just two cars is not enough for the 15th anniversary special. So that's nice. And then we are getting some racing red cars also. Uh, we got racing red Mater in case B, and now we are getting racing red Jackson Storm. The only image I have is of racing red Jackson Storm. Then we have racing red Sally, racing red Francisco Bernoulli, racing red Lightning McQueen, and we are also getting racing red Diana Cruz Ramirez. So my best of these are, I can say Sally. I would like to see her in the red, metallic red. And then Jackson Storm. Yeah, I don't like much Jackson Storm that much, but okay, he has the image, so I like that. And then we can say Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. I don't think Francisco Bernoulli can, only the red part can be metallic. So none other than that would be metallic. So it would come good, but not good as the others. And then Lightning Queen will be will mostly be the same as the Scavenger Hunt Lightning McQueen. The metallic Lightning McQueen was released back in 2018. So that's it. So I like the most I like is Sally to be released. So that's nice, and that's nice. They racing Grid series, they updated the artwork, unlike the thing which the 2020 line of scavenger hunt cars. They didn't update the card bags, so I like that they are updating the card bags for the cars. That's nice. And then yeah, then we are getting Ducky Font Leroy, another legend after Floyd Morgan and Caleb Overly. And then we are getting the Easter Buggy. As they released the Christmas cars, they are also releasing other expanded universe cars like the Easter Buggy and many more in the main line now, so we can find them more commonly. They were very rare in the Easter Buggy cars. The Easter cars were so rare back then, so I hope we will see the Easter cars, the expanded universe cars more common now. And then we are getting a uncancelled card, like they are uncancelling a card that was cancelled back then, so they are uncancelling Lightning McQueen as Easter Buggy. That's nice. That's a good uncancellation. Pretty much 2021 is having many uncancellations. That's nice. They are uncancelling many cars. And then we are getting a green Ramon. That's nice. We are getting him after a long time. Then Mama Bernoulli. That's a good re-release actually. And then we are getting Courtney Carspert, 95 Lightning McQueen fan. That's a nice re-release. And Aiden is being released, another trainee, but I would have preferred to release Sequoia, and as they uncancelled many releases, they could have done this, but okay. I hope they will do by late 2021 or 2020, early 2022. They will uncancel Sequoia. And then we are getting Suki. In the past we got Harumi in case B, I think. Yeah, case B. Now we are getting Suki. Then We are getting Mildred Bailey. That's nice re-release. That's nice retro re-release. She was a retro character in the flashback scene. And then we are getting Murray Clutchburn. Okay, nice, but they have an error here actually. They provided the Cars 1 Murray Clutchburn art and provided the Cars 3 Murray Clutchburn diecast, but that's okay. Both are same characters, but both are different castings, both are different models. Because Cars 3 cars are stock cars are different from the Cars 1 stock cars, so they shouldn't have messed up with the artwork. They actually do with it many times. They actually mess up with artworks many times, but okay, they have done it in 2020 also, 21 also. That's nice. And then we are getting Robert Jam Jones, a band member, a fellow band member of the Sweet Tea Band. That's nice. That's nice. We hope in the future we will get more band members. That's good. And now only I said we will get more band members. After Robert Jam Jones, we are also getting Pam Wheeldaro, a fellow drummer. Robert Jam Jones was the bassist, and Pam Wheeldaro is the drummer in the Sweet Tea Band. So I am so happy we are getting these pitties from the 1950s. So yeah, they have great accessories. Both Robert and Pam have nice accessories. I like it. I like their releases. So then, then we are also getting Sputterstop racing tractor. That is Sheldon Shifter as racing tractor. That's nice. That's nice. You are getting more tractors. Yeah. So, seeing this, I hope we will get more racing tractors, and they will. I think they will release all the racing tractors. Yeah, and I think they will also release the cancelled racing tractors which were cancelled in 2019. I hope we will get those soon. The Nostal tank coat and combustor. Those tractors I think will come out soon. So yeah. And then we are getting Jimmy Cables and Bob Pulley. Both of them are being released after a long time. Bob Pulley was initially released in Cars 2 line, and Jimmy Cables was first look in the Motor Speedway of the South 11 pack. I think in 2018, I think. So I like his artwork. And then we are getting Andrea. She is being released after 2014, I think. And then Trainer Cruz Ramirez. I'm not too fond of Trainer Cruz because she's just a stupid variant, just having that headset. But I like her now because I'm also not fond of getting her, but she has updated artwork, so we can see the headset offering both in the diecast and the artwork. While in 2020 we didn't see her headset in the artwork, so many people thought that she was just a regular Cruz. And then here is Cars 3 Lightning McQueen with piston cup, and as I told before in the video, Golden Lightning McQueen, Golden Rusty's Lightning McQueen. I again took Golden Rusty's Lightning McQueen because I forgot to mention one thing before in the video. He doesn't have updated artwork, like he doesn't have the golden image on his card back. That's a downgrade medal because he is a special car. He is promo car for the 15th anniversary special. You screwed up the artwork. And then we are getting a Lightning McQueen with piston cup. Cars 3 Lightning McQueen with piston cup. It's the same as we the same casting lightning with Piston Cup that we got in 2017 along with Jackson Strom with Piston Cup, and so I don't know why they labeled him as new for 2021. And then that's all for this single packs. Let's move on to the 2 packs now. We are getting Junior Moon, Heyday Junior Moon, and Leroy Hammy. And then we are getting Jackson Storm and Laura Spinwheel. Early in 2020, we got Laura Spinwheel and Ray Everham, the Ignite team, the pit crew. That was a great release. Now Lara Spinwheel is being released with Jackson Storm. Okay, I would have preferred Ray Everham with Jackson Storm because I hope Ray Everham got some things like attention. It was a pretty rare pack. It is now also expensive. So I would have preferred to release Ray Everham with Jackson Storm or Ray Everham with Lara again. That would be great, or Ray Everham as a single pack. Okay, but they are releasing at least Lara Spinwheel. And then we are getting Hit and Run re-release. That's nice. Then we are getting Mater and Lightning McQueen, World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen and Mater, but they didn't provide the cars to that race team thing. That's okay. Then we are getting Eric Lanley and Alex Carwell. They released them in 2020, but they are again re-releasing them in 2021. They are being released before 2020 itself, like 2015 I think they were first released. And then we are getting 2 packs like Jackson Storm and I think Cam Spinner. Yeah, I think Jackson Storm and Cam Spinner. The 2 pack we are getting. Both are great peg warmers in my opinion, but that's okay. Then we are getting. That's all for the 2 pack. Then we are getting Sweet Tea and Luigi. Nice. Earlier in 2020, Sweet Tea was released with Guido. Now we are getting with Luigi. That's nice. And then that's all for the 2 packs, and we are moving to the deluxe cases. Not cases, the cards. We are getting Kingpin Nobinaga, the cards to one of the cards to wrestler with the purple cape, whatever you call, Kingpin Nobinaga. And then we are getting RV, the Demolition Derby race character, the RV van. And then we are getting another RV. It's Elvis RV, most anticipated release, most exciting release. That is, he was first initially released in the Racer Roma line, and then in the final lap collection in 2010, and then in 2013 again. Now we are getting him again. He is a rare card. Hope he gets common. And then we are getting Leroy Traffic with snow tires. He is very different from his Chinese counterpart. This is made in Thailand. But I am disappointed that they didn't still update the artwork for Leroy Traffic. They used the regular artwork. They don't use the store tire artwork. I'm so disappointed they didn't update his artwork still. Both China and Thailand. Yeah, I'm so disappointed. And then we are getting fan favorites Mater, which was cancelled in 2020. That's nice. They're as I told you before, in 2020 they are cancelling many releases. That's nice. They're doing great job. And then we are getting Red and Dr. Damage. Nothing much to talk about these. Red was several times released in the past, and but for Doctor Damage, it's the first time being released from Thailand. So nice. And that's all for the DLSS. Let's get into some color changes. We're getting a king uh, who changes from his typical blue color to a dark blue, a purplish blue actually. And then Sheriff was first released in the 2011 line with turquoise color. Now he's been released with the red and black. He changed from red to black, I think. Yeah, he changed from red to black. So that's nice. We got a turquoise sheriff, but in my opinion, this red sheriff is more good, in my opinion. And then we are getting Ramon, Snotrod, Fillmore, and Creosin Lightning McQueen. Yeah, the images provided here are not official from Mattel. They only revealed what color changes are coming yet to come. They are the four cars: the Star Rod, Cruisin' Lightning McQueen, Ramon, and Fillmore. Just for the visual, just for providing the visual, I provided this image. I edited this image and provided you guys just to tell you guys what and all coming. So those are my edits. So those are not official from Mattel, and I wish these variants would be great, like Florida Ramon in blue, Cruising Lightning McQueen in green, Fillmore in pink, and Snotrod in light blue. These color changes would be great. They are releasing these, but they didn't reveal what color they will change. So I predicted that these would be nice. That's it. So King and the Sheriff are already available in stores, so you can check them out. But these were the Snotrod, Fillmore, Ramon, and Cruising Light McQueen are yet to come. They didn't reveal much about these four. They only revealed what they are coming. They didn't reveal what color they will change. That's it. So that's it for the color changes. Let's get into the NASCAR cars now. So Mattel is releasing a new expanded universe cars, wave of new expanded universe cars. It's called NASCAR, based on the real NASCAR motorsports. So yeah, it has two waves. The wave one is already released. The wave one contains Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, pit crew member Luigi and Guido, and crew chief Mater. That's it for the wave 1. Now coming to the wave 2. Like in the wave 1, they are again including Lightning McQueen, Luigi and Guido, Mater, and Jackson Storm. And additionally, we have 5 cars in this wave. They are Chase Racelet and Rian Inside Laney. And here comes the surprise, guys. Yeah, the missing sponsors from Cars 3 are coming back. They are returning. Yeah, guys. Like Shifty Drug, Sidewall Shine, and Fiber Fuel. I found two package images, that is for Chase Racelet and the Shifty Drug next gen. His name is William Byron. So we got the Shifty Drug next gen name. The numbers have changed because I think as this is NASCAR series, they are naming after the real NASCAR drivers, so they have changed the numbers. That's what I think. Then the other missing sponsors also will get some release in Wave 3 if they release. And they also have a pit stop barrier, aka the blast wall, like in the HRS rocket racing line. Those pit stop barriers are always a great display piece. So That's it for the NASCAR cars. Let's get into some mini races now. So we are getting Gail Buffett in a 3-pack with Metallic Jackson Storm and George Newman. That's nice. Then we are getting Tokyo Meter in a 3-pack with Radiator Springs, Lightning McQueen and Sheriff. Then we are getting World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen in a 3-pack with Francisco and Mater. And then we are getting High Impact with Fishtail and Dirt Track McQueen. And then we are getting Hot Rod Smokey in 3-pack with Reverse Scott and Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. And then we are getting Kurt in 3-pack with Cruz Ramirez and Rusty's Lightning McQueen. And then Dynaco Bling Bling McQueen in 3-pack with Chickix and King. And then we are also getting Dexter Hoover in 3-pack with Cars 1 Lightning McQueen and Metallic Dicky. That's it for the mini races. Let's see some track talkers. They are Jackson Storm, Lightning McQueen and Mater. These remind me of the funny talkers that they were released in 2015 and 2017. Let's take a look at the playsets they are releasing. So they are releasing 4 playsets, 3 normal scale playsets and 1 mini racer playsets. Now let's see the normal scale playsets. They are releasing Ramon's Body Shop playset, Luigi's Casadella Tires playset and a Dynaco Car Wash playset. Let's take a look at the Ramon's Body Shop playset first. So these playsets are called action shifters. If you don't know what is action shifter, in 2014 they released these playsets. I think 2014 and 15. So these are action shifter playset. Basically, it's the smaller version or the kit version of the Precision series playsets, and they have a moving feature, the ramp. So that's it about the action shifter. So we are getting we got these playsets long before itself. It's just I think reissue, like bringing them back like that. So we are getting Ramon, House of Body Art, and then we are getting Luigi's Casadella Tires. It is also an action shifter playset. So that's nice. We are getting the action shifters back, the playsets. That's nice. And then we are coming to the coolest playset, that is the Dynaco Car Wash playset. This is a color changes playset. I should have included this in the color changes segment, but I thought it would be nice if I include it in this playset segment. So yeah, we are getting a color changes car wash playset. It's Dynaco Car Wash. So let's see in detail about it. I love the background so much. They are featuring it in the package. That's nice. I am getting the vibes of the past, the heyday vibes, because the Raceroma package was almost like this, the racetrack background with the Dynaco tents. That's nice. They are reverting back to the classics. I'm getting the classic vibes, and in the front we are having the color changes logo, the new logo, and the place itself, and they are including plastic Dynaco PT. It's not diecast. It's part of the. I think it will be part of the playset to be included, and plastic Lightning McQueen as color changes are always plastic, not diecast. And at the top we have the Cars logo, the Disney Pixar Cars, and then we have the color shifting on the top not corner, the top bar from blue it's like the color band actually, like from dark blue light to light blue to white and again to red. That's nice. And the McQueen originally will be black, and then he will change into a blue. I am not sure what he will change. Like I think he will originally be black, and cold water or the hot water will change him into the blue. Then we are getting a red playset. Yeah, I think that Lightning McQueen sign has two sides. One is Cactus Lightning McQueen and another is regular Lightning McQueen. If you spray, he sprays water out of his hose. I think if you spray the water, that sign turns. And then we are getting a push and go meter with hood. I think if you pull his tow cable, his hood pops. With seeing the image, I think that only. I'm not 100% sure. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we will meet in the next video. Bye, guys, and I want to thank you all again for 300 subscribers. I'm so happy that you guys are constantly supporting me. Keep supporting me. I will try to make you guys happy with my videos. I hope my videos are enjoyable and entertaining, and I'm so happy that you guys are supporting me this much. I am very happy to make these videos for you guys, for the support and love you show for me and my channel. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy. Bye guys.